Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review. So today in the skincare video, I'll be telling you how you can use the Maxi Light Lotion to turn up your skin color, make you get white in space at 2 weeks. Yo, it's a go work in space at 2 weeks, yeah. So if you're interested in my topic, please like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell so you can get up my good video. And if you're always been coming back, thank you so much for your support. Stay to the end of this video. First, you will need a Maxi Light lotion, guys, and you're going to get a jar, like a jar that you're going to mix the cream in, and also you're going to get something to use to mix the cream. You're going to use half of the Maxi Light, then you're going to add to the little jar that you're going to mix it 4 Neoprosone or Neoprosone. Yes, anyway it pronounced, yeah. And then afterwards you're going to add a new light. It's up to you if you want to use all of the new lights, but for faster results you can use one new light cream. Also, you're going to add bio clear oil, because you can't do nothing without oil. You have to make sure you get oil, and you can use baby oil, a little baby oil as well in this cream, because it is very strong. And if you're going to use it on your neck, darling, use a little, rub it over. This cream is strong. Yes, so just make sure on you know you don't have to use it daily, guys. You can use it like today, you don't bother use it tomorrow. Yeah, it depends. Or if you want to use it straight through till the 2 weeks, yeah, it's a go look nice. Do not use the Neoprosone on your skin alone. This alone give you a stretch mark. So listen to my advice. Don't use it alone. Well guys, this is how to mix the Maxi Light Super White Mix. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, share, subscribe, share with your friend, and blow up a comment section. Yeah, and I have more videos on my platform. You can go ahead and check it out. I'm a post daily, guys, so come back tomorrow. Make sure to like up the video, subscribe to the video. Yeah, the channel. I think bye.